How heavy, how light? How heavy, how light?
Yeah, very good, right. So once again, let me start for everyone. Very good morning, children. All of you first write your name in the chat box. Quickly do that. Write your text your name in the chat box. Fast.
Ma'am, textbook.
Chat box, ma. Yeah, in the box you write your name. For attendance purpose, write your name in the chat box.
Ma'am.
Quickly.
Anna.
What is the date today?
18th, ma'am.
18th of
18th, 2022.
18th January 2022.
2022.
What is the day?
Monday. Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. And the chapter is how heavy?
How light?
How light? We are left with textbook problems. We will do that now.
Ma'am.
We are left with textbook problems. We will do that now. I have shared that PPT already to you. Hope all of you have gone through, but I haven't received the work till now from anyone. Only 1 or 2 students have posted. So please complete that. But today we will have explanation very quickly. Okay, try to understand the problems. Is that clear? So before we start that, I would like to ask you one question. Did all of you attend yesterday's yoga session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how was that?
Ma'am.
How was that?
It's jolly, ma'am. We enjoyed.
It
It's
was
fine.
very good. Yeah, you enjoyed.
Yes.
It was very good. Good. That is fine. That you enjoyed. What next? Did you do today? Did any one of you practice it today? Tanvi Priya has practiced. Very good. Who else? Please mute from where I am getting. I think, is it Pranita? If any problem from your side, please mute yourself. So, okay, now, what's that going on, Pranita? So, sessions are shown to you so that you practice. That is for your good health, right? For your physical and mental health, for your good physical and mental health, these sessions are shown. So, you have to practice. It will not take much time, isn't it? At least 2 or 3, right? Few mudras. What you were taught in that, at least few. If not all, at least Surya Namaskaram. That can be done, isn't it? Yes. So will you practice every day? Will you practice every day? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Good. Yeah. Okay. Let us start our class now. Ever since how heavy, how light. As I told you, we are left with textbook problems. I'll just share that. We will once have a discussion on it quickly. Yes. Hope you can see the screen. Can all of you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the first one is broken stones. Abdu sells firewood. You know what is firewood? The logs are cut into small pieces to use to keep it in fire, to get fire.
Ma'am, there is so disturbance. There is so disturbance.
What disturbance do you have?
That background disturbance. Ma'am, this.
You are not able to see the screen?
Ma'am, I am completed. But
Yeah,
there is some students' background is coming sounds.
Students background, that then they have to mute. I told you in even meeting also that you people should mute yourself. Otherwise, if I mute, nobody will have the chance to speak. So right now I have muted you all. So till I know that many of you have completed. This is just an explanation part. Very quickly, I'll explain within few minutes. Then we'll go to the other part. Okay. Broken stones. Abdu sells firewood. there was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kilograms. So the stone what he had was, what is the weight of that stone? 13 kilograms. That was 13 kilograms in weight. Then he used it to weigh firewood. One day the stone fell down and broke into 3 pieces, which weighed 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms, and 6 kilograms. So the stone was broken into 3 pieces, and the weight of one of the pieces was 2 kilograms, the other was 5, and the third one was 6 kilograms. Okay, so this is how the stones were broken into. Now the questions. Broken stones. Now we show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh. Okay, so the first bit. Now he wants to weigh 4 kilogram of firewood. 4 kilogram of firewood. Yes, one by one I'll come with. I can see here Akshit got first, so let me start with him. So now if he wants to weigh 4 kilograms of, Akshit God, please unmute.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So now if he wants to weigh 4 kilogram of firewood, then how he has to use these stones? How, in what way he will use these stones to weigh 4 kilograms of firewood?
We take 2 kilograms and another 2 kilogram stone.
Here, if I take 2 kilograms of stone, he has only
Yes,
one stone
we
of
take-
kilogram. He has only one stone of
Yes.
kilogram. Okay. Then
And any chair, like any chair, any wood, like we have to take some.
no. You have to take proper stones so that he can weigh only 4 kilogram of firewood. How to use this? If I take 2 kilogram of stone, he can weigh only 2 kilograms of firewood. Right? 4 kilogram. If
Yes,
we take more than 2 kilograms, this will go down, isn't it? But it
Yes.
should be in a balance.
Yes.
So how much I should take here? Anyone else?
Mm.
Okay, let me unmute everyone. Please, students, you mute yourself, and those who want to answer, they can unmute. Otherwise, all of you mute yourself. Quickly mute yourself. Yes, those who wants to answer can unmute. Tell me how to use the stones so that I can weigh 4 kilogram of firewood. Only these stones I have.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yes. Please tell me. What's your name?
ma'am, first we want to take
No.
2 kgs of...
Is it Mokshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Yeah. First.
First we want to take 2 kilograms of stone.
Okay.
Then 4 kilograms of firewood. Then we can take 4 kilograms of firewood.
Okay. She says that you mean to say that 2 kilogram of stone 2 times?
No, ma'am, only one time.
One time you will get only 2 kilograms, no?
Then we can take 4 kilograms of firewood.
How? With 2 kilogram of stone, how can you take 4 kilograms of firewood? You will get 2 kilograms only. Yes, anyone else?
I have a idea.
Who is that?
Akshit Gaur.
Akshit, what is that? What did you say?
Ma'am, we take first 2 kilograms of stone
Okay.
here. And another side of any 2 kilograms, any other side, any 2 kilogram stone we have to take.
No. Acha, another one. Okay, fine. No, but you
Yes.
don't have anything.
Any
Abdul
other one.
has only these 3 stones. As you said, he would have weighed something else and kept it as, see, there are different chances as you said. First, you can weigh 2 kilograms of firewood. Then he can place this, firewood here. Then all complete 4 kilograms he can place. So this is another one way, but here the condition is he has to use only the stones, the given stones. What the stones he has? He has 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms, and 6 kilograms. So let me explain to you. You people have written, but you did not understand, I think. So what you can do is you have one plate here and another plate here. So what you can do is So what you can do is, first you will take a stone of 6 kilograms. First you can take a stone of 6 kilograms. Okay. Can you see the board
Yes,
clearly?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
first he
ma'am.
is taking 6 kilogram stone, but he wants only 4 kilograms, right? So I will take 2 kilogram stone here. So 2 kilograms of stone I have kept. Okay, left how much? How much weight to balance?
4
8.
kilograms.
That 4
4
kilograms.
kilograms.
That 4 kilograms I will take firewood. That 4 kilograms I will take for firewood. Is that clear? 6 I have taken. So 2 kilograms stone plus 4 kilograms of firewood I will take. Then this is what he requires. This he will take and these two he will remove. Is this balanced now? Is this balanced now?
Yes.
Yes. Now see the answer. Now see the answer in the screen. Abdu can weigh 4 kilogram of wood by keeping broken stone of 6 kilogram on the left hand side of the pan and broken stone of 2 kilogram on the right hand side of the pan plus firewoods. Plus firewoods. Is this clear? Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No. Is this clear? Is this
No,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So shall I?
Ma'am?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah. What's your doubt?
ma'am, I have a doubt. Another pan has got 6 kg and another pan has gone 2 kg. It's become 8 kg now.
This is on this side, my dear Akshat. On one side, I have 6 kilograms.
Oh.
So I have to balance with 6 here. So, but I want 4, firewood only 4. So I am taking 2 kilograms stone and 4 kilograms of firewood. Okay. Later I will not
Okay,
use
okay.
this 2 kilogram. I will take only 4 kilogram weight. Okay, fine. Very good. Good doubt. Okay. So let us go to the next one. Next he wants 3 kilogram of firewood. Now he wants 3 kilogram. Now think and tell me, as I told you, in this way, think and tell me how to get the 3 kilogram of firewood. One I explained, no? The second one you tell me. 3 kilogram of firewood.
Ma'am.
Yeah. What I should take here and how much I should take here so that I can get only 3 kilogram of firewood. Think. Same as I just now explained here. The same way you can think and tell me. Anyone? Everyone is in mute. Unmute. You can unmute yourself and answer. Quickly.
Ma'am, it is firewood.
Okay. I'll take 5 kilogram stone here, but I want only 3. So 2 I have to reduce. So 2 kilogram of stone I will take and the remaining 3 kilograms I will take the firewood. Is that clear? Is that correct?
Yes.
So 2 plus 3
Yes, ma'am.
becomes 5. Here also 5. Balanced. Right? Is this okay?
Ma'am.
Is this okay to everyone?
Yes.
Did all of you understand? Yes. Now let us go to the third one. Next is 7 kilograms of firewood. Think now. Think how to get this 7 kilograms of firewood. Now he wants 7. The same as we have done till now. Try to use these 3 stones, any 2 stones from this and get 7 kilograms of firewood. Think how can you get?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me. I'm listening.
by putting 5 and 2 kilograms of
So 5 kilogram of stone and 2 kilogram stone. You
left side of the pan, we can put the 7 kgs of firewood. Then we
Very
can
good.
balance 7 kilograms.
Very good. So here you have 5 kilogram stone and 2 kilogram stone. These two you can use. It will become 7 and you can put the firewood which balances the 7. Right? So you will get 7 kgs of 7 kilograms of firewood. Well done. Very good. So hope all of you understood these 3 bits. Yes. So let us go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is you have a postcard. Hope all of you have seen this postcard. This is a postcard. This is an inland letter. Okay. So in post office, these are available. Yes, we get these things from post office. Now some rates are given, postal rates. Single postcard cost rupees. How much? How much is that?
0.50 rupees.
It's not rupees 50. It is 0.50. It means 50 pice. What is the cost of single postcard?
50
And what is the cost of
Ma'am, that is olden days. That is olden days. That is olden days.
Mostly it is, even now it is the same. There is no much difference here. Okay. As frankly telling, even I have not seen, but mostly it is the same cost. So what is the printed postcard? What is the cost of printed postcard?
6 rupees.
6 paisa. 6 paisa.
No. This is 6 rupees. When it is after the point, it is given after point, then it is pice. Before point, it is rupees. Okay. So single postcard, the cost of single postcard is 50 pice. So please be careful here. Cost of single postcard. Rupees 0.90. So this is 50 pice. This is 50 pice. Here, next, printed postcard. Please keep yourself in mute when you are not talking. When you are not asking anything, please put yourself in mute. Mute yourself, Sharan Raj, Akshit God, mute yourself. When you have doubts, you can. Pallavi mute, Tanvi mute, Varshita, yeah. Keep yourself in mute. Otherwise, there will we find disturbance, right? Okay. So now, so here, see, printed postcard. The cost of printed postcard is rupees 6.00. It means it is 6 rupees because this is before the point. Okay, that is 6 rupees and 0 pice. So we did not take this 00. It is 6 rupees. Is that clear? Okay, even if you put point and 00, it means it's only 6 rupees, 0 pice. 0 pice means you can leave it 6 rupees. Next, inland letter. Inland letter. What is the cost of inland letter?
2 rupees 50 paisa, ma'am.
Very good. It is 2 rupees 50 pice. 2 rupees before decimal you have 2 and after that it is 50. Before point it is 2 and after point it is 50. So 2 rupees 50 pice. Here, next is letter weighing. When you send a letter, it is to be weighed. If it is more than the general weight, then you have to pay more. But what is the general weight? Letter weighing is 20 grams. 20 grams or less. If it is 20 grams or it is less, you need to put a stamp of how much? 5 rupees.
5 rupees. 5 rupees.
5 rupees. Okay.
5 rupees.
And for additional, for every additional, what do you mean by this? For every additional.
2 rupees, ma'am. 2 rupees, ma'am.
What does it
2
mean?
rupees. 2 rupees.
Yeah, it
2
means
rupees,
that.
2
It means
rupees.
that.
2 rupees.
Yeah, listen, if it means that if you have, if you are sending a letter, if the weight of that letter is 20 grams or less, you have to put the stamp of 5 rupees. If it is more than that, it means it can be even 1 gram more. Or for every 20 grams, after that, after 20 grams of weight, after that, for every 20 grams, it costs 2 rupees more. It costs 2 rupees more. Is that clear? Parcel weighing is also given. So parcel is, you know, you sometimes send it in a box, right? You make a parcel of it, you make a packing of it and send. For that also weight is to be seen. For 50 grams or less, it is 5 rupees. And for every additional 50 grams, it is 3 rupees. So let us now see the problems on this.
5 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees.
Now the question is, how much does a postcard cost? What is the cost of postcard? What is the cost of
50 paisa. 50 paisa. 50 paisa, ma'am. 50 paisa.
Very good. Very good. So now listen. Now listen. In Google Sheet, when I give you this question, the options might be like this, rupees 0.50, but we are discussing it here like 50 pice. Okay, so if I don't give this option 50 pice, if I don't give like this, then you might be confused. Where is the answer? The answer is this, rupees 0.50. Clear? So don't get confused. Either I can give you 50 pice or I can give you like this. Both are same. Okay, whichever is given, you have to opt that. Clear, children? Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much does a
Yes,
postcard
ma'am.
cost? A postcard costs 50 pice. Next, how much does an inland letter cost? What is the cost of inland letter? See the table. What is the cost of inland letter?
2.50 paisa.
Price. Very good.
2.50 paisa.
Don't say 2.50 paise. Say 2 rupees 50 paise. 2 rupees 50 paise. Okay. So next, how much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Now see this. So now see here, you have a letter. You have a letter. What is the weight of letter? Weight of this letter is 50 grams. Weight of this letter is 50 grams. Okay.
50
Now
grams.
see the table and tell me how much cost stamp must be used for this letter to post. Can you tell me?
3 rupees. 3 rupees.
How do you know? How do you know?
3 rupees.
How do you know? See, letter weighing table is given. What is that given? What is the table? What is the table?
50 grams are meant for every additional 50 grams. And another box.
Listen.
Postal letters.
Listen, Akshat, listen. We are not talking about parcel. I am talking about letter. So in that box, you have to check for letter weighing. Okay. In letter weighing, first 20 grams of letter needs rupees 5. Stamp of 5 rupees. Correct? Correct? Then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For every 20 grams additional. Right? So if it is more than 20 grams, for every 20 grams, you have to pay rupees 2.
2 rupees. 2 rupees.
Yes. So let us check. What is the weight of the
2
letter?
rupees.
What is the weight of the letter? What is the
20
weight of the
grams.
letter? What is the weight of the letter?
50 grams.
20 grams.
The weight of the letter given is 50 grams. Right? Now let us check. For first 20 grams. So weight of the letter is 50. So you can write it as 20 plus 20 plus 10. Is this correct? 20 grams
Yes.
plus 20 grams plus 10 grams. Is this correct? Yes? Is this
Yes,
correct or
ma'am.
not? Any
Yes.
doubt here? Why I have written like this?
No, ma'am.
We know the cost of stamps for 20 grams. So for this 20 grams, first 20 grams, I will take 5 rupees stamp. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Next,
Yes.
additional, this
Yes.
is extra 20 grams. For this additional 20 grams, I will take rupees 2. Correct? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
additional 10 grams. Whether it is 10 gram or 1 gram or 5 grams, but for every 20 grams additional. So if it is more than, after this 20, again, if you have something weight, then again 2 rupees you have to take. If it is 10 or if it is 15 or if it is 5, anything it is, you have to take 2 rupees only. Is that clear? Did you understand? Did you understand? So,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, so for 20 grams, 5 rupees. For extra 20 grams, 2 rupees. For extra 10 grams, 2 rupees. So what is the total cost?
8 rupees. 6 rupees, ma'am. 6 rupees. 6 rupees.
See it properly. Rupees 5, rupees 2,
9 rupees. 9 rupees. 9 rupees.
7 plus 2, 9. So 9
9 rupees.
rupees, 9 rupees
9
stamp
rupees.
is to be used. 9 rupees stamp is to be used on the inland letter which weighs 50 grams. Okay, let us check the answer now. Did you all understand this? So here, how much
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Up to 20 grams.
Up to 20 grams.
Sorry, I have muted you all so that I can say it clearly. Up to 20 grams, the stamp required is 5 rupees. For next 20 grams, the stamps required is 2 rupees. Next, whatever additional you have. For next 10 grams, again, it is 2 rupees. So total stamps of cost, I have written it on the screen. You can check it up. Total cost of stamps used to be used is rupees 5 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 2. Isn't it? So you are supposed to add this. So it is rupees 9. So I have to pay 9 rupees for stamps to send the letter weighing 50 grams. Is this question clear? Any doubt in this solution? Any doubt? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. Not raising your hand like this, use the, here you have the option, right? So using that, you raise your hand so that I can see if anyone has any doubt. No? Very good. Okay. So let me go to the next one. Fine. Now, Akash wants to send a parcel of the Math Magic textbook to his friend, Rani, in Chennai. The book weighs 200 grams. The book weighs 200 grams. So now let us see the table once again. Now what is the parcel or what is that item they want to send? Yeah, I have allowed you all. You can answer. What is the item they are sending?
200
The
grams.
parcel.
Up to
Parcel.
200 grams.
What does that parcel?
200
Ma'am.
What does that parcel consist of? Math Magic textbook. Here,
Ma'am, there is no page in the screen.
Huh? You cannot see. So,
Ma'am, there is some problem in the screen.
can't you see the screen?
Yes, screen. Here written some. Please move this window.
Yeah. It has gone. It's gone. Don't bother about all this. It's gone. You just check what I am saying and you check the table. Table is seen very clearly. So now, Math Magic textbook. What is the weight of this Math Magic textbook?
200 grams,
200
ma'am.
grams. Now, see the table. See the table. This is a parcel. This is a parcel. So now you have to check the weight of the parcel. Parcel weighing. Okay. So what is that condition given? For 50 grams or less. First, 50 grams or less. What is the cost? How much?
5 rupees.
5 rupees.
5 rupees.
Okay. Next, for every additional 50 grams, right? For every additional 50
3 rupees.
For every additional 50 grams, it is how much? How
3
much?
rupees.
3
3
rupees. Very good.
3 rupees.
Yeah, using this table, now you have to find out what is the cost of stamps you have to use to parcel to send this parcel. Okay. So first is 200 grams. So let us split this 200 grams in 50s. Okay, because you have for 50s here, isn't it? So first I am taking 50 grams. So how many such 50s I should
Ma'am,
take?
50 for the 200.
50 fours are 200. Very good. Very good. So, or you can check it up. 50 plus 50, 100. Isn't it? Plus 50, 150.
Yes.
Plus 50, 200. So, how many times? 4 times. So, 50 plus 50 grams plus 50 grams plus 50 grams. So, is this clear? Why I have split it 200 into 4 parts? Because you have the cost of 50 gram stamps, right? So now, for first 50 grams, how much I have to pay? For first 50 grams?
5 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees.
5 rupees. For additional 50 grams, how much?
3 rupees.
3
3 rupees.
Once again, additional 50 grams, 3 rupees. Once again, 50
3
grams,
rupees.
3 rupees.
3 rupees.
For every 50 grams, for every additional 50 grams, that is what the meaning. So what is the total cost of stamps?
14 rupees, ma'am.
14
Let us
rupees.
add
14.
5 rupees
14.
plus 3 rupees
5.
plus 3 rupees
8.
plus 3 rupees. So you have to add all this. Okay. 5 you don't have, it is 0, 0. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14.
Plus
So
3,
you have to
14.
write the units or units also.
14.
Is 14. So in total 14 rupees cost stamp they have to use to parcel the Math Magic textbook. Let us see the answer once again. So to send the book, Akash has to parcel it. He has to pay the cost for parcel as follows. The weight of a book is 200 grams. The weight of a book is 200 grams. The cost of parcel up to 50 grams is 5 rupees. Clear? Next, the cost of additional 50 plus 50 plus 50, 150 grams is 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Or you can write like this. If you
9.
understood this one easily, you can write like this. If you understood that what I have sent, you can write in that way. It's up to you. Clear? Hope this is clear. You are taking for 53 rupees, for other additional 50 grams 3 rupees, for additional 50 grams 3 rupees, and you are adding in total. So you are getting total cost as 14 rupees. Hope this is clear. Yes. So now let us go to the next one.
Yes.
Read the weight shown in the picture. Find out the cost of sending a parcel of that weight. So here, this is homework for you. See, you can see a weighing machine here. What is the weight? Can you tell me by looking into that?
250 grams.
It's not 250. Check it up carefully.
200. 240. 235 grams, ma'am.
235.
Yeah.
240 grams, ma'am.
Yeah. There are
235.
different answers. Let me check which answer is right. So where is that arrow?
175, ma'am.
See, that arrow is between 200 and 250.
45.
This is between
35.
200
ma'am.
and
25.
250.
35.
Right? So in between, how many lines do you have? In between, how many lines you have?
1 line,
4 lines.
1 line.
In between, you have 4 lines, isn't it? Check it up properly. So this becomes 210. This becomes 220. This becomes 230. And then this becomes 240 and 250 is given. But where is the arrow? Arrow is between 220 and 230. Arrow is between 220 and 230. So what is the between number 220 and 230? 220,
225, ma'am.
yes, 225 will be the half of it, isn't it? So what is the weight of the given
225.
parcel? 225 grams. What is the weight of the given parcel? 225 grams.
235 grams.
I will just tell you orally. Okay, the remaining you have to do. I'm not telling you the answer. I'm just giving you hint orally. 225. How to write? How to split? Parcel. So you have to split it with 50 grams. Isn't it? It's a parcel. So every 50 grams you have the cost. So now first you will write for 50. So let us check how many 50s I should take. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50, 250. But you have 225, isn't it? So you cannot take 25 grams because you don't have the cost for 25 grams. You have cost for every 50 additional. Whether it is 25 grams or it is 50 grams, you have to pay the cost of 3 rupees, isn't it? So for 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for okay, this let me take 25. So 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 50, 200, 200 plus 25, 225. Got it, exact number. So now for 50, how much?
Yes.
What is the cost? 50 grams, 5 rupees. For additional 50 grams, how much is the cost? 3 rupees. Is that correct?
Yes.
So for
Yes.
additional 50 grams, 3 rupees. For additional 50 grams, 3 rupees. For additional 50 grams, 3 rupees. For additional even 25 grams also it is 3 rupees. Isn't it? Now,
Why, ma'am? Why 25 rupees also 3 rupees?
25
Why
grams.
25 rupees also? 25 grams also 3
Because
rupees?
for every additional 50 grams, I said, it can be even 1
Yes.
gram, 2 grams, 3 grams, 20 grams, 25 grams, or 50 grams. However, how much it is, it will be the cost 3 rupees. After this 50,
Okay.
how much additional you are given, that doesn't matter. It might be anything up to 50. That will cost 3 rupees. Is that clear? From here,
Yes,
after
ma'am.
this 50, whatever, even if a single gram is more, they have to pay 3 rupees. Clear? So now you
Yes.
have to add all this and write the answer, total cost of the stamp required. Okay, so let us go to the next one. This is the answer for that. I have already sent to you all this. You should have done it actually, but you did not do. Okay, with this we have, yeah, we have completed the solutions of the textbook. Okay. Hope all of you understood. Did all of you understand? Did all of you understand? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
same what I have sent to you before, the same I'll post it once again in your group. Now, because you understood well, please do it in your notebook and submit it in the group. As I told you, these things consist marks, but you people are not sending. So please do that. Okay. Once again, let me remind children, everyone, please write your names in the chat box because some students have joined it. So make it fast and please make a habit of joining in time. And now, let me give you a small revision on this. Just we'll have a small discussion on it and I will send it to your group. Please, you have to do it on your own. Okay. So because you understood this chapter well, now it is your duty to do some revision part, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me show, send you some so that you understand whether you are able to do it or not. If you are not able to, definitely I will explain to you in the next class. Okay. Yeah. So now see this. Yeah. Now here, chapter 12, how heavy, how light. There are some problems on this. Write whether the weight of these objects will be measured in grams or kilograms. This we have already discussed, but pictures are different. You should be able to know. TV weighs more. So definitely it will be in kilograms, right? Even watermelon can be weighed in kilograms. But what is this? A pen. Pen weighs in grams, not in kilograms, because single pen will not weigh more, right? Now this machine, sewing machine. So definitely it will weigh more. So it will be in kilograms. So I'm not going to tell you answers for the remaining. Please do it on your own. For cherry, only 2 cherries. What will be the weight? Grams or kilograms? Pencil, grams or kilograms? Very easy. Hope you'll do this. Next, pick the most suitable weight for the following things. Now a boy. You have to take the suitable weight. Do you think he will be only 300 grams? Can he be in grams? He is a grown-up boy. Even a born child will not be in grams. Even, isn't it? Born child, the child who has taken just now birth, also weighs minimum 2.5 kilograms, 2 kilograms at least, even if the baby is weak, right? So it cannot be in grams. And you can guess Boy cannot be 300 kilograms, right? Isn't it? The rice bag which you bring it to your home itself will be mostly 25 kilograms or 50 kilograms. And do you think that boy can be for 300 kilograms? No. So what can be the most suitable weight? 30 kilograms can be the appropriate one, isn't it? So similarly, you have to think and write. Bag, your school bag, can it be 4 kilograms or can it be 400 grams? What do you mean by 400 grams? 400 grams is less than half a kilogram, isn't it? Because what is half a kilogram? How much is half a kilogram? 500 grams. In terms of grams, half kilogram is 500 grams. So bag may not be much lesser as 400 grams, but it can be, when you put all your books, it can be 4 kilograms, but it cannot be 40 kilograms, isn't it? You people cannot weigh 40 kilograms of bag and go to school, isn't it? Next, car. So find out the suitable weight. 500 grams, it means half kilogram. It cannot be half kilogram, right? So 500 kilograms, 5 kilograms. So think and tick the suitable one. Similarly, for this abacus plate, then a pencil, a bowl. Okay, so check it up. Next, Mr. Vyas had shifted his office and booked a truck to shift the things. Okay, so which weighs as follows? The items are given. Monitor, there are 10 monitors and each monitor weighs 4 kilograms. So 10 monitors weighs 40 kilograms. CPU, each CPU weighs 60 kilograms, but there are 10 CPUs. So 10 into 6, 60 kilograms is the weight of all 10 CPUs. There are 20 tables and the weight of each table is 8 kilograms. So 20 into 8, 160 kilograms is the total weight. Now, similarly, stools you have and armchair you have. Now find the total weight of all the items. Do you know what to do to find the total weights? You have to simply add all the weights, isn't it? So 40 plus 60 plus 160 plus 80 plus 20. It is very simple. Hope you will get it. So you have to find the weight, total weight of all the items. Next question is, if the truck can carry only 200 kilograms at a time, then how many times will the truck have to take around? Please try to understand. Here, a truck can carry only 200 kilograms per one trip, but the weight is more than 200. So find out how much more you have and how many trips it has to make to complete, remove the complete things. All the things it has to move. So you have to find out how many trips it has to make. Okay, next. The next question is, if the truck can carry only 200 kilograms at a time, which items can it take at a time? So find out which items gives in total 200 kilograms. That items only to be loaded into the truck to move from there. That also you have to find out. So these two problems, hope you can do. There are few more. These are the things. See, actually time is up, so I'm winding it up. So these problems already we have done. You have to just convert. You have to say true or false, what given is right or wrong. You have to put down arrow, which one weighs more. So all these things you have done in the classroom. So it's just a revision part. Try to do. One more class I will take to explain this, and or if possible, I'll make a video and I'll make a video and send it to you so that you can do. So tell me now, can you do these problems on your own? Will you try? Will you try? Will you
Yes,
try?
ma'am.
Yes. Do you think the problems will be difficult, or do you think you can do it, or what? You can
Ma'am,
unmute.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, this revision all we have to do in notebook.
Yeah, in your classwork notebook. See,
Okay.
no hurry, no hurry. I don't, yes, Grace Amulya, it's fine. Nice.
Because my
Good.
Ma'am, because my notebook pages are some only 2 or 3, 4 pages are there, ma'am.
Then what should you do? What should you do? Tell me. If you are not.
We buy new.
That's it. A simple solution. A small
Yeah.
book. Anyway, see, you have 2 more chapters. So 2 pages are not enough. That 2 more chapters also to be written in that, isn't it? So buy a
Yes.
new notebook
Yes.
and do the revision in that. Okay. So now children,
Okay.
same what we have discussed in our class, that is given in revision sheet. Please try to do it and don't feel bad to ask the questions. If you have any doubt, put a doubt in the box, in the WhatsApp message. I'll check it up and give you the answer. Is that clear, children? Clear? Yeah, please do that revision part and send it to me. Okay, so as the time is up, your other teacher might be waiting. So I'm just winding up the session. Bye, children, for today.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.